I am Joe from the Professional Services team at Firewalls.com. Today we're delving into the intricate yet vital realm of Network Address Translation, more commonly known as NAT. NAT plays a pivotal role in ensuring your internal resources are mapped correctly to the external world. So let's embark on the step-by-step process on creating a NAT policy on your Fortinet device.
All right, welcome to my Fortinet lab box. We're going to begin by selecting the correct VDOM that you'd like to work under. On the left side, you're going to find policy and objects. And today we're going to be working on a virtual IP to configure our NAT. Basically, what we'd like to accomplish here is for this NAT, we're going to be configuring a way to reach our internal lab workstation by using a NAT over the internet. So let's go ahead and click on Create New. I'm going to name this Lab Workstation Web Server. You may leave a comment if you'd like. For this instance, we're going to leave the interface as any. This is going to be a static NAT. Here we're going to enter the external or public IP that we'd like to reach the or that the workstation's behind. So this would be your WAN IP. I cannot put a public IP on the internet, so I'm going to use Google for this example. And then what will this map to? We are going to click on workstation internal. All right, so then we're going to click on optional fillers, and here we want to specify the service. Let's do TCP. Let's do 80. TCP 8080. There we go. And then we're going to click on port forwarding. So coming in from 88888, our public address using port 8080, we actually want to map it to this internal address to port, let's do 443. Then you would click OK.
Finalize and save. Once all parameters are accurately set, click on OK or Save. Then, like always, review the IPv4 policy list to confirm your NAT rule is seamlessly integrated. Creating precise NAT rules not only aids in effective communication for your internal and external networks, but also enhances the security by masking internal IP structures. For further guidance and a plethora of other cyber-related tutorials, we recommend exploring Firewalls.com. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next instructional video.